This is a certified hood classic.
You can't hear them, but I can. What? What are those? Get out! Get out! Yo, this thing could be so cool at PvP. You just get out! What? How does that do anything? Oh, cool. What? Wait, I'm gonna try to get a home run. Watch this! Let's go back! Oh, but wait. 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 Yeah, wait. Oh, wait, yeah. Don't hand. Get out! I'm trying to play baseball, but it's not working. Where'd you get that, huh? Yeah. I hit it! Wait, wait, do it again. Wait, do it. What the frick? Hey, give me that! No! What the frick? No way that How'd you do that? What the frick? I can't even throw it, bro. Wait, bro, stand still. Wait. Did it? Yeah, it does nothing. Dang what? Oh yeah, I'm playing your basketball. Alright, let me get. Oh frick. Wait. What? This is fun? This is the best thing. Wait, I wanna see. Oh. Wait, you could play golf. No. I can beat my children with a bat! Alright, I think I'm gonna go giggity goos, but the giggity update is giggity goated.